Can AI be able to grasp human emotion? Can machines sense and feel rather than just be technical? Can artificial intelligence, robotics, and chatbots truly experience and grasp human emotions? Well, we'll be talking about these things in this other episode of Elite Tech Royalty, where we provide the most in-depth, fascinating, and educational happenings in the AI and tech industry. I am Kay, and let's get this started. Today, we'll explore the mystery of the human mind and the constantly evolving field of AI. We'll also consider the capacity of AI to understand human emotions. But let's first discuss what it is to experience human emotions. What is human emotion? Human emotion acts as a vital link between our thoughts and bodies, assisting us in overcoming obstacles and achieving success in life. The emotions of grief, rage, fear, surprise, and others are influenced by the coordinated action of our brain's nerve system and hormones. Additionally, emotions are very important in communicating. For example, without the need for words, a warm smile, a hug, a wrinkled brow, or a quivering voice might express our inner feelings. We may empathize with one another because of our emotions. Now the question is it possible for artificial intelligence to ever function in this way? The difference between AI and the human brain. The complex networks of the brain that include the amygdala, hippocampus, and the prefrontal cortex control how emotions are processed. These areas work together to assess situations, elicit emotions, and direct our reactions. What we experience during situations is translated by our brains into the emotions we feel. On the other hand, artificial intelligence, or AI, mimics some features of the human cognition. AI makes up for its lack of the brain's natural design with strong algorithms and enormous data sets. To identify and interpret emotions, AI uses facial recognition, sentiment analysis, and natural language processing. The thing with AI is that it bases its knowledge of emotions on patterns and probabilities rather than on the intuitive and experiential aspects of human emotional processing. How do AI deciphers or interpret emotions? NLP, or natural language processing, is essential for AI's ability to comprehend emotions. NLP allows AI to understand nuances of human language and recognize the emotional clues that are concealed in our phrases, slang, and metaphors. AI's emotional perception nevertheless faces obstacles despite these great abilities. Machines still have difficulty understanding context and the dynamic character of human emotions. Emotional intelligence versus artificial emotional. Our capacity to comprehend, control, and manage both our own emotions and those of others is a component of emotional intelligence, an innate human attribute. It is the key component that makes empathy, compassion, and efficient communication possible. On the other hand, artificial emotional intelligence, or AEI, is AI's attempt to replicate this particular human capacity. With the use of cutting-edge algorithms and enormous data sets, AEI aims to accurately understand and react to human emotions. While human emotional intelligence is known for its capability of empathy and intuition, artificial emotional intelligence stands out for its capacity to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns that the human eye would miss. What we need to understand is that these two are not competitors, but rather complementary factors in the study of emotions. Now the question is, can AI understand what humans feel? But before we continue, if you've come this far in this video, give it a like, share, and subscribe, or let us know what you think in the comment section. Given how deeply ingrained empathy is in our human experiences, you may believe that the concept of an empathic AI is something out of science fiction. However, due to sophisticated algorithms, AI has made progress in replicating empathy. Think about sophisticated chatbots that can recognize our emotional indicators and react to them by providing consoling words or beneficial advice based on our sentiments. These virtual friends might give the appearance of empathy. But is it real? The key to the issue is that distinction between pretending to feel empathy and actually doing so. This only means that even while AI can be taught to perceive emotions and act accordingly, it does so using patterns and probabilities rather than a true understanding of emotions. Artificial intelligence's empathy is really an artfully constructed illusion created by human engineering and data-driven assumptions. What neuroscience has contributed to this issue? Neuroscience, the study of the nervous system and the brain, is the key to AI's emotional leap. The neurological mechanisms that drive our emotions are only one of the many fascinating discoveries provided by neuroscience into the workings of the human brain. The emotional architecture of the brain holds the key to understanding empathy, compassion, and other distinctively human emotional characteristics. By utilizing neuroscience research, AI can improve its algorithms to be more similar to how the human brain processes emotions. In addition, the combination of AI with neuroscience may pave the way for groundbreaking innovations like brain-computer interfaces, which would enable direct brain-to-machine communication. Such developments may completely change how AI understands our emotions, linking the digital and organic worlds. Aiming closer to the elusive goal of AI empathy, the combination of AI and neuroscience promises to push beyond the boundaries of artificial emotional intelligence. Final verdict: can machines truly feel emotions? We have looked at the intriguing conflict between emotional intelligence and artificial emotional intelligence and speculated on whether AI may learn empathy. Additionally, we have seen how neuroscience may be the solution to AI's emotional breakthrough. The distinction between knowing, mimicking, and recognizing emotions and actually feeling them is where the problem really resides. Despite the incredible progress AI has made in simulating human emotions, this mimicry is still based on patterns, probabilities, and human-engineered algorithms. More than mere data and analytical skills may be needed to capture the depth, richness, and authenticity of real emotional experiences. Can a machine really grasp emotions? Our fundamental understanding of emotions, consciousness, and what it means to be breathing and living in this world is challenged by the emerging AIs. As AI develops and the distinction between humans and machines becomes increasingly blurry, we must not only work to comprehend the promise of this technology, but also dive deeply into our own emotions and the core of our humanity. For the time being, it is evident that genuine empathy is still a characteristic that is unique to humans and is brought on by our experiences and connections with others. What do you think about this? Tell us what you think in the comments. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the newest advances in AI and know the best solutions for your particular problems. And as always, thanks for watching Elite Tech Royalty. I'll see you in the next one.